Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account onto your Fiverr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fiverr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fiverr website. Now from the homepage, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which if you wish to add your PayPal information, then click on the account option at the top right corner and now you will find the billing and payments option. Go ahead and click on it and then click on the payment methods option and now you will have the option to add your payment method. Click on the add payment method option and then choose PayPal and now you will be taken into the PayPal website where you will be asked to log into your account. Go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number associated with your PayPal account and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Type in your account password and continue forward and you will be logged into your PayPal account and then your PayPal will be linked with your Fiverr account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your PayPal account onto your Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.